Hey guys, I decided to try out the Herd 360 camera antenna. I have some Tactacam Reveal X Pros and I wanted to set one up at our water hole. It's getting to be June here in the hill country in Texas, and all the animals will be visiting the water hole at some point. I've had a camera out here without any cell service or anything before, and I got a lot of really nice pictures, and it kind of showed you what was traveling around. So I wanted to be able to see that when I'm at home and not at the camp. I installed the antenna on the pond levee, and I'm sure I didn't do it completely correctly with all the hardware, but it's up there and it seems to be holding pretty good. So I'll walk over there and show you guys my setup and let you guys know if we end up getting any pictures from this. If I'm sitting on the ground, 0 cell service. If I'm up in the tower blind, that's a 10-foot blind, I could browse whatever online. So I have pretty good service. So let me show you guys what we got, and I'll wait a few days and see if we get any updates. All right, so this is the water hole, and this is the path all these animals like to travel. You can see how worn down this side of the pond levee is. And there's a big old trail here. A lot of cattle come through here. But here's the camera. So this is our Tactacam Reveal, just strapped to the tree. Got a drip loop to get the water to hopefully not run into the antenna. And I wrapped the cable all the way up this 2x4, and I have a wooden dowel on the top so that I could extend it and rotate that antenna towards the closest cell signal. I used open signal with the compass and pointed it in the right direction, and it said I have a strong signal. So we'll see what's going on, and if we get any pictures, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, this is the setup. Nothing real complicated, and we'll see what it looks like. Hey guys, wanted to close out this video with a little update on the project. The cell signal showed 3 out of 4 bars with 4G when I turned the camera on from, I had it completely turned off, hooked up the cell signal, and then turned it on and it had 3 out of 4 bars. So I was pretty hopeful about how the signal would work. To be fair, while we were out there, I was getting the SOS icon on the iPhone, and I was losing service pretty frequently, whereas before I wasn't really losing service at all in the past. So I don't know if there's a cell tower down, but I have noticed that it's not as strong of a signal in general as we used to have in the past. But last night I did get pictures to come through, so I think this is going to work. But with the signal being less than it used to be, it's not working as well. I didn't get any pictures this morning, and I'm anticipating kind of this sporadic pictures received. So I think I'm gonna get them every now and again. I don't think it's gonna be a consistent thing. I do think the antenna works. I just think we're in a pretty bad low spot at the place. So this does work. It won't magically solve you having 0 service, but it will boost up your service just a little bit. So I do think it was worth I do think the project was worth doing, but just be aware that it's not some magical solution for places you have absolutely no service.